Alright, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about how much money you can stuff into Acorns. You know, that app that's supposed to turn your spare change into a small fortune. Well, it's time to find out if the hype is real. Now, you've probably heard the buzz about Acorns. It's like having a tiny financial robot that automatically invests your spare change. But here's the burning question: is there a limit to how much you can feed this little money-munching machine? Can you dump your entire paycheck in there, or is there a golden goose egg limit? Let's break it down. First off, Acorns doesn't have a hard cap on how much you can invest. You could theoretically funnel every dollar you earn into it if you wanted to. But is that smart? Well, that depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Acorns is great for small, consistent investments. It's like building a snowman one snowball at a time. But if you're dreaming of building an Olaf-sized investment portfolio overnight, you might want to consider other options. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Now, let's talk about Acorns' different account types. There's the personal, the family, and the later accounts. Each has its own nuances, and that can affect how much you can invest. For instance, the later account is designed for long-term savings, so you might be able to stash away more there compared to the personal account. But here's the thing: while you can technically invest as much as you want, there are practical limitations. Your income, your expenses, and your overall financial situation will dictate how much you can realistically invest. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with a teaspoon. It's possible, but you'll be there all day. So, while Acorns doesn't have a strict investment limit, it's essential to approach it with a strategic mindset. Consider your financial goals, diversify your investments, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. And remember, investing involves risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. So, do your research, consult with a financial advisor if needed, and make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.